Welcome, data enthusiasts. Join us on a journey as we rewind through the milestones and successes of 2023, exploring the power of data analytics that fueled our company's growth. In the past year, our team has delved deep into data, unlocking insights that have reshaped industries and empowered decision-makers. Let's reflect on the challenges we overcame, the projects that excelled, and the valuable partnerships that blossomed. Our analytics solutions didn't just crunch numbers, they transformed businesses. From healthcare to finance, manufacturing to retail, our data-driven insights have driven positive change and innovation. Innovation is at the heart of what we do. From cutting-edge AI implementations to revolutionary data visualization tools, we've pushed the boundaries of what's possible in the world of data analytics. Our success extends beyond our office walls. We've actively participated in industry events, collaborated with thought leaders, and built a vibrant community that shares our passion for leveraging the power of data. As we entered 2024, we're filled with excitement for what the future holds. Together, we'll continue to innovate, explore new horizons, and make an even greater impact in the world of data analytics. Thank you for being part of our data-driven journey. Here's to a fantastic 2023 and an even more extraordinary 2024.